Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 88 of our 100-day price action challenge and we are living on the most interesting points of the time. Looks like the market has a mixed reaction, right? One good thing you can notice here that is microcap index is up 1% while mid-cap select is down 0.8% and Nifty is almost flattish, Nifty Junior is almost flattish, you can see here, right? Uh, the big event has over, the Liberation Day has over, Trump has come with his own tariffs. Now let's see how the market has reacted. You can see here, right? India market has pretty much discounted every single thing, unlike US markets, which were showing almost 4% gap down in the pre-market session. Let's see how the US markets opens tonight. That might have still some effects in the Indian markets tomorrow as well. You can see here that Nifty didn't do much thing, but there has been a lot of sector rotation happened today. Even Nifty Junior is also looking good. Look at this tight consolidation, just like we saw on the charts. Even Nifty Junior is also forming this tight consolidation. I like how this is forming. We just exactly want this. The last time too, it had the same thing, tight consolidation, then an up move. Again, tight consolidation, then a possible up move. That would be fantastic to watch. I am thinking that maybe we have formed a bottom, but again, you, whatever we think, market doesn't care. It does what it wants to do. So let's just follow the price as of now. Mid cap select index yesterday it was up almost 2%. Today it is down 1%. So again, it has mismatched the entire thing. Mid caps is again flat today. Small caps also reacted well, especially the micro caps. It's up 1% today. Overall, the Nifty 500 broader market index didn't do anything today. Everyone thought either it would be very positive or it would be very negative, but the entire broad market is flat. See, that's how the reality happens usually. Even the total market does the same thing. Gold is now sliding down. You can see here, right? Gold is slowly sliding down. Now that the tariff effect is finally finished, maybe some uncertainty is already completed. Look at silver, it is falling majorly. It has broken out down its 50-day moving average. That's very strong breakdown. Even the volumes are massive on the silver. So please be careful if you are going long on gold or silver because not a great time to do right now as of now. Look at Bank Nifty again, very strong. There was a big gap down opening, but again quickly recovered all the way and closed at 51,640. It looks very interesting, and you can see almost the private banks and the Bank Nifty looks very similar. And PSU banks are really looking well after a very long time. Maybe now I am also a little bit convinced on the price that these starts are doing really well. Let's see how these starts have done in our 100-day. And the major thing that happened is, look at here. We expecting something like this, right? It should not break below this level, and it has exactly happened. Nifty IT index is down 4.2%. That's a massive fall in the IT because it is discounting. Because today the Nasdaq might be opening a 4% gap down. Hence, Nifty IT index is also down 4%. Let's see how it goes. Auto index down 1%. Realty is almost flat. Pharma, it was up almost 5% up in the morning, but now because there was no tariff effect on the pharma, there was a very strong opening in the first few minutes, but later it got cooled off finally. Infra again, it is almost flat, but the chart is looking very interesting. You can see here it is moving up and tightly consolidating. FMCG taking its time, so it is now right now tightly consolidating as of now. Telecom not that of a great chart. Healthcare too, it was up almost 5%, 4% in the morning, now closed at 2%. Media, nothing interesting. And coming to the daily 100 stocks, just want to give a minor update. Recently, there has been some additions and there has been some removals of the stocks in the Nifty 100. So I have updated my watch list today. So you might be seeing 3 to 4 names, new names coming into the Nifty 100. Let's see how they are doing it. Coming to the Reliance, not at all good chart of Reliance. It was acting very well from this point to here and all the way up here, but right now it is not good. But HDFC Bank, it is acting very well, perfectly very well. Since it is one of the heavyweight, that's very important for HDFC Bank. TCS, look at TCS. I'm just zooming out of this chart. You can clearly see here, right? TCS has broken down this important crucial level. This is something which is almost similarly seen on Nifty IT chart. Airtel is still consolidating here. It might need some more time. Really acting well, holding up this entire correction. So if the market improves, so there is a good probability that Airtel might move up. ICICI Bank is also consolidating sideways as of now. A very, very strong charts are visible on the private banks. SBI to consolidating, trying to move up, but other PSU banks have done really well. Let's look into their charts in the later part of the video. Infosys again break down below this crucial support zone, not acting very well. Bajaj Finance, again letting a little bit disappointed here on the Bajaj Finance. See, the structure is broken. It has broke out and now it is coming back to this previous phase. That's not healthy. Leaders, this used to be a leader in this recent bear market. This should not ideally crack up. Hindustan going sideways. LIC now slowly you can clearly see the signs here, right? It is slowly coming out of this important resistance. So now it has finally trying to form a bottom here. ITC going sideways. LNT not that of a great chart as of now. Very volatile, not looking good. Kotak Mahindra perfect short, picture perfect. It is acting exactly as a perfect ideal stock should act like. HCLTECH very weak. We have already identified somewhere around here and somewhere around here too that HCLTECH is very weak. And now recently, look at here again broke down this. See, even yesterday itself it has broken out, but today with the gap, strong gap, it is not very well. SUNPHARMA went all the way up to 5% in the morning, but again, the closing was not so good. I think this level would be very important for SUNPHARMA. Maruti, nothing interesting happened here. NTPC is again gearing up. See how it is moving. Now it tried to form a bottom here. Moved up, now consolidating with a good pullback, now trying to move up. So that's a very, very good sign of NTPC. Good chart. Axis Bank also trying to do the same thing just like NTPC. It might need some more time, I guess. ULTRATECH cement stocks are buzzing a lot. So after that UBS report, I guess cement stocks are buzzing very, very, very good. Even across mid cap, small cap, cement stocks are doing really well. Mahindra and Mahindra slided down below this. Not good, not good. Autos are looking very weak, especially with the tariff effects. We might need some more time here. And coming to ONGC, not doing that great. See, it got rejected before this trend line, not doing that well as of now. Bajaj Finserv again came back to this level. At least it is holding on to this level as of now. Okay, chart. It used to be very good chart, but now again I'm changing my mindset on the Bajaj twins. Hindustan Unilever again very good bounce on this trend line. Good chart, strong name. I think one of the subscriber has asked, "Do you want whether we can short it?" Please don't do that. I think look at here, very strong name. Hindustan Aeronautics. Wipro, again you can see here, right? It has broken down. If you can see minor notice. This was something we have seen on the Infosys chart to something like this. This is called, people call it as bearish flag. You can see here, right? Titan not doing that well, still hanging at the lows, although up doesn't change anything. Interestingly, I have noticed today that Adani stocks are trying to set up. So Adani Enterprise is not that good, but I'm seeing two to three Adani names which are doing trying to form a reversal. So let's wait and see. DMart, good reversal play. If you are trying, if you are someone who is fundamental investor, want to accumulate DMart and play the reversal play, I think this is the perfect entry point, the zone. Of course, you have to notice that it needs to fill this gap, so please expect some kind of volatility here. Power grid strongly moving up, still needs to some more. I think the chart doesn't look that great as of now. Adani Port, see, it broke out of this trend line or tidally consolidation. Interesting. This is just how the beginning of a move, up move might look like, but please don't take this as a granted. JSW still again sliding down. It used to be a picture perfect start. It is even now, but probably I'm not getting that kind of feedback from the JSW steel as of now. Tata Motors very weak chart. I think the autos are set to go down. I think the cycle happened in the autos. I don't think we might see any short term recovery. Coal India, not so great chart. Bajaj Auto, nothing interesting. Asian Paints trying to form a bottom. Same with Nestle India. Bharat Electronics, again consolidating between these levels. Zomato needs to close above this trend line or at least 240 level. That would be the most important level, or above this trend line. Trend now trying to form a reversal. You can see here, right? This dark line is the 50-day moving average, and you can see it is trying to form a reversal or at least a bottom here. Let's wish all the best for trend. Adani Power, see again tightly consolidating, trying to move out of this stock. So watch Adani stocks. Indigo, another very favorite chart of Nifty 100, doing very well. Tata Steel. It used to be a good chart, but I don't like this much of pullback. I want somewhere around here and it should have ideally bounced up. So not great. Diamonds, nothing interesting. IOC also might need some more time here. Varun Beverages, a very, very, very choppy chart. It might need some more time. Vedanta, ooh, down 4%, broken down 50-day moving average. Not good. So looks like again, after the tariff effect, looks like the metal stocks are starting to react again. Silver is down, gold is again moving down. So the metal stocks are moving down. Grasim up 1.35%, very strong chart. Probably we can extend this line, but let's wait for some more time on the Grasim. I like Sri Cement on the cement space, especially in the large cap names. DLF, nothing interesting. IRFC going sideways. SBLF, very, 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 very good chart. Interesting, interesting. Divi's Laboratory, nothing interesting as of now. Still, despite such positivity in the pharma, it couldn't close above this level. HDFC Life, another very strong name, interesting chart. It is now trying to recover. Adani Green, not good. Adani is something not a great sort of entire Adani space. Hindalco sliding down, not looking interesting. Very weak chart. It has broken this structure. Now I don't like this anymore. Eicher Motors holding a very choppy name. I don't know what to comment on this. It is still trading in the range. Geo Finance, trying to form a bottom here. Let's see how it goes. Speedy Light, nothing interesting. Tech Mahindra, as usual, as expected, IT name sliding down hard. PFC needs to consolidate some more time, needs to form a reversal here. Hyundai is something which we have added, which we are seeing probably for the first time. See, look at here, Hyundai listed something on October 24. Not that of a great chart. Why? Because autos are not looking well. See, this was the high IPO high. It needs to come around at least above this level. Not great chart. LTIM very weak IT space. Ambuja Cement, much better cement stocks are available, at least on the charts. Bajaj Holding not doing that great. PPCL tried to close above this level, but again closing happened here. Might need some more time here. Chola too, it has broken structure. I'm little bit disappointed here again, especially on Chola. Now Bajaj Finance is moving down, Chola is moving down. What is happening? Is it just a swing trade kind of market, or can you build some positional trades here? Loda sideways, still sideways. Britannia trying to move up here. Britannia interesting, but last time it has failed. Let's see how whether this works this time or not. Gale going sideways. Tata Power sideways, but trying to move up. Let's see. Shriram Finance recovered again, but Chola couldn't able to recover. So as of now, not many hopes left on Shriram Finance, but very slow mover. Let's wait and see how it turns out. Look at Bank of Baroda. That's very interesting. Only thing is that there are not much of a great volumes here happening. So if it was great volumes, that would have been fantastic. But it is finally trying to come out of this base. That's a really good sign from PSU Bank Baroda. Godrej Consumer needs some more time. TVS Motor needs some more time. Indian Hotels is another new addition. That's two new additions. Hyundai, Indian Hotels as of now. It's a very strong chart. See, these were the previous entry points happened on the Indian Hotels. Now it is consolidating. It needs a little more consolidation. It used to be a mid cap. It was my favorite cap. Very happy to see it on the Nifty 100 finally. So let's wait and see how this opportunity provides. CIPLA, nothing interesting, just like all pharma stocks, it had opened up strong buzz, but the closing was half the way. ABB not good. PNB also finally it closed above this trend line after a very long time. You can see here, right? Almost from this point, it has closed above this. Let's wait and see now because lot of overhead supply left on the PSU banks. I would rather prefer private banks as of now than the PSU banks, at least technical. REC going sideways. Sri Cement very strong chart. Look at here. Little pullback. Did not even touch the 21-day moving average to it. Bounced up very quickly. Very strong name. Torrent Pharma, nothing interesting. Tata Consumer now trying to form consolidation. It needs to form another tightness that might give a new entry. Even now, 2%, something like this. United Spirits trying to close above this level. Adani Energy Solutions. See, this is one of the good Adani stocks. It is now again trying to move on. Interesting price action happening on the Adani, but again reversal play. Just like all PSU banks, this has a lot of overhead supply. Bajaj Housing Finance, another new IPO stock. So that's three new additions as of now we have been seeing. Very, very, very weak name Bajaj Housing Finance. See, from this point, it has corrected almost 50%, 45% for a large cap. Not good, not good as of now. Apollo Hospital's very choppy name. Dr. Reddy, see, very, very, very choppy name. Despite all other stocks were up 5%, look at Dr. Reddy's. See? Very, very, very poor. TG Power, that's actually fourth name or fifth name by this time. I lost the count here. Not very great chart. It had multiple times this breakout didn't work. Multiple times. Not good. This belongs to mid cap. Mid caps were not doing well. So now since it has entered large cap, maybe some kind of inflow might be happening on CG Power. Havel still needs to close above this trend line. Motherson to me very weak. Jindal still tightly consolidating. Still needs some more time. JSW Energy not doing good. ICICI General numbered sideways as of now. Naukari very bad reaction. Not good. Zydus Life see weak chart. You can clearly identify the Dr. Reddy's and Zydus. Both of these names are very weak names on the pharma. DABUR down 6%. Oh my god, this was the 3 year long term resistance. If you open a weekly chart here, if I just put it 5 year, look at here. Almost from August 2020, DABUR did not made any money. For the last 5 years, if you have put your money in FD, you would have made more money than the DABUR. See? Nothing, nothing. Very, very, very weak name. Bosch also not doing well. Canara, very well. I think let's try to extend this. See? Perfect, perfect. All PSU banks are trying. Interesting. I will closely from now. Let's closely watch on PSU banking names. They're acting very well. Last time Canara tried to move above this level, but quickly closed below. Let's hope that that doesn't happen this time. Eyebrow, nothing interesting here. Wiggy, probably fifth or sixth name here. Not doing very well. Very weak name. Hero Motocorp looking at the bottom. IndusInd Bank again not doing well. So yes, I think we have missed IRCTC. There is no IRCTC in Nifty 100 anymore. So that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope that this is adding some value to you. See you tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching.